Hello guys, this is Sir Joms. Welcome to my online tutorial. I'm very excited to have you here. I prepared lessons that are lined up for you, just for you. So no further ado, today we'll discuss about relation and function. The question is, what is relation and function? But before we discuss about relation and function, we must first understand the most important part of it, and that's the ordered pair. Ordered pair simply means these are the elements in x and y, or simply the abscissa and the ordinate in the Cartesian plane. It's simply the x and the y. So x, we can call x as an input and y as an output. Why? Because when we put a value of x, the value of y just depends on the value of the x that we give or input. So for example, we have here an equation which is equal to y equals 2x plus y, where the value of x are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the value of the y will depend upon the value of x. For example, if we substitute the value of x in the equation, like the first value which is 1 plus 1, so the value of y is equal to 2. If we put the value of 2, where if we input the value of 2, or the value of x which is equal to 2 plus 1, and the value of y is 3. If we input the value of x equals to 3, so 3 plus 1, then the output or the resulting value will be 4, as well as on the value of x equals to 4, so 4 plus 1, so our input or the resulting value will be 5. So these are the basic information that we need to know before we discuss about the function and the relation. Because function and relation, which I said earlier, is connected to ordered pair. So we need to understand the x and the y, the x element and the y element. Okay, so what is the relation, or what is a relation? So according to Google, relation is simply a subset of Cartesian product, or simply a bunch of points or a bunch of ordered pairs. See, you can see the word ordered pairs. In other words, this is the relation between two sets, which is defined as the collection of the ordered pair. Collection of ordered pair. And when we combine those ordered pair, we can form a set. There's an example below. This is an example of a set of ordered pairs. So we have 2, 3, negative 2, 4, 0, 1, and 5, negative 3. So to understand more what is a relation, so we can show relations in different forms. It can be relation using table, relation in the graph, or relation in a diagram. So we're going to discuss this in the following lessons about relation in table, relation in graph, relation in diagram. So we're just going to discuss what is relation and what is a function. We're just going to differentiate the two. So what is a relation? So we have different kinds of relations. We have one-to-one relation. One-to-one relation simply means the element of x is paired only to one element of y, which is 1, 7, negative 2, 4, 7, 5, and 6, 2. So 1 is paired to one element. Next one is one-to-many. It means that one element of x is paired to another or many elements of y, like this one. So Michelle is the owner, and she owns 3 dogs. So one owner, 3 dogs. So that's one-to-many. The other relation is the many-to-one relation. So many to 1. So 1 is paired to 4, 2 is paired to 4, and 3 is paired to 4, which is many elements of A, which is the 1, 2, and 3, paired to one element of B, which is 4. That's called many to 1. while the 4 is paired to 5 the other elements. And many to many, simply many elements of A is paired to many elements of B. Example, 1 and 3. 1 and 3 in elements A, in set A, is paired to A, while 3 is paired to C and 2 is paired to C, while 2 is paired to B and 1 is paired to B. It means that many elements of A is paired to many elements of B. Okay, so these are just the basic information about relation. So we're going to discuss the other kinds of relations or other examples of relation, as well as the definition of functions on our next tutorial. So see you on our next tutorial. So we are going to discuss the part 2 of this. So the other examples of relations and how can we determine if this is just a relation or just a function. So see you there.